Hello, fifth graders. Miss Salad here. It's Unit 2, Week 6, Lesson 2. Today we will be working with irregular plural nouns and collective nouns. Our objectives are I can explain and identify irregular plural nouns, and I can distinguish, tell the difference between plural nouns and collective nouns. All right, let's take a look at irregular plural nouns. They are nouns that do not become plural by adding S or ES. You actually spell the plural completely different. For example, I'm sure you're familiar with the plural form of man is men, not mans. Here are some additional common irregular plural nouns where you do not add S or ES. You have a completely different spelling of a new word. So person, plural would be people, ox, plural is oxen, man, men, women, child, children, tooth, teeth, foot, feet, goose, geese, and mouse would be plural. The plural of mouse is mice. I'm sure you're familiar with some of those irregular plural forms. Okay, also, some nouns stay the same whether they are singular or plural. For example, deer, when it becomes plural, stays the same spelling, deer. Sheep, sheep is another example. Trout, trout. A singular and plural form are spelled the same. Okay. All right, let's take a look at collective nouns. Collective nouns are words that name a group or collection of people or things in a way that the group is discussed as a single unit. Okay. For example, the word team is a collective noun. There are multiple individual players on a team, but when discussing something that happens to the team as a whole, the team would be referred to as a single thing. For example, the team, and all the players, all the people on that team will travel to the game. The team will travel to the game. It is singular. It is a single team, a group of players that are traveling. But collective nouns can also have plural forms. For example, if we are speaking of more than one team, we would say both teams will stay in the same hotel. So as you see, we just turned team, that collective noun, into a plural collective noun by adding S. Right? Here are some additional common collective nouns. We can start with the singular collective noun band, add a S, and make that a common collective plural noun bands. And of course, choir, we could have more than one choir. Change that to choirs. Class, when we're talking about a class at school, we could have that a singular class, a single group, or we could talk about different classes at a particular school. That would be a plural collective noun. And then, of course, the word crowd. That's a singular collective noun. It's a group of people coming together. Or we could have different crowds of people, plural collective noun. Well, I hope that helped you out today. I'm sure that most of you are familiar with the number of the irregular plural nouns that we talked about and some of the collective nouns, both singular and plural. So please make sure you go to your to-do list and do any activities that are assigned to you, and you have a great day.